This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, XM satellite radio, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an electronic throttle, a security system, chrome window trim, a chrome grille, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. This Honda has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Fisher Auto is located at 6025 Arapahoe Drive in Boulder. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.